Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie, and in this video I'm going to show you what plants I keep in my small apartment that are easy to care and hard to kill. So I'm such a beginner at keeping plants alive, and I've killed quite a few of them during the past 2 years. So when I say it's easy to keep alive, it's easy. I live in a pretty small apartment with my husband and my big golden retriever. So space is kind of a problem. Even though I really love the big kind of leafy greens like the fiddle leaves tree and the Swiss cheese plant, I can really keep them in my apartment. So the biggest plant I have right now is actually this one. It's a snake plant, and it's obviously my favorite plant because it's so big and so lively, I'd say. And I got it about 2-3 years ago from the farmer's market in Union Square. It cost me like $5. I'll show you a picture of this plant when I first got it. It's like this big, and so during the years it really has grown. I got this big square concrete planter from Target for it, and I really like the industrial vibe, and I think it's big enough for it to grow. I'll link it in the description below if I can still find it. I don't do much to care for it. I water it every week, and this is during the warmer months, and if it's winter I only water it like once every 2 weeks. Light-wise, it doesn't require much. You can put it by the window or in the corner. It doesn't matter to it. It's such a beginner's plant that these are unable to kill, if I say. Next, we have these guys. These two. And this little one here. These are all propagated from this one here. And so these are like all free plants. So basically, you can cut off the old leaves, like this one, or even the new leaves. You can cut off like 2-3 inches of them and put it in the soil, and after like 2 months it will grow roots and a new plant, and then you can put it in a new pot and it will become a new individual snake plant like this one. So next we have this cycle palm. I got this one. Hi Luffy. I got this one around the same time as that one actually, and it hasn't changed at all. Cycle plant looks so prehistoric and it's supposed to grow really slowly, but mine hasn't grown at all since I got it. So I've been wondering if it's still alive or not, and I googled it, like why doesn't my cycle palm grow? And I found out that I'm supposed to fertilize it during the spring, and then it can grow like new leaves in the middle here during the summertime. So I got this plant food for it, and it's like blue crystal things, and then you can mix it in the water and feed it to your plant. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm going to feed it every 2 weeks, and hopefully it will grow this summer. Fingers crossed. Oh, and this pot is also from Target. Next, we have this little succulent platter here. I don't recommend getting succulent if you are a beginner like me, because I really like them them. So I bought several different ones, and this one is the only one that survived. Every other one died actually. So it's so precious, and I water it really carefully because overwatering can kill succulents instantly. Also, they require a lot of sunshine, and I have a west-facing window that there are a lot of sunlight in my apartment, but during the winter time they are not getting enough sunshine. So like these little ones, they just stretch out to try to reach more sunlight. If you want to keep succulent in your house, make sure you have a pot with draining hole and you have a lot of sunlight. Next, we have these two beautiful flowers I got last weekend, again from the farmer's market. And definitely check it out if you are in the area. It happens every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And the Saturday ones are the busiest ones. They have so many plants and flowers there. And they are fairly priced, not very expensive at all. These yellow little flowers, they're called daffodil, and they're everywhere, like by the sidewalks. I really like the yellow color, and this pot here is from Anthropology. It's very unique and cute, I think. This one is tulip, and I posted a picture of me picking it out on Instagram. I will link it in the description if you want to check it out. So these two need a little bit more water than the other plants. I water them twice a week, and they're gonna die after the flowering season. So I maybe get some new plants for these pots later this year. This one is the newest member in my plant family. I only got it for a few days. It's a burgundy rubber tree plant, and I bought it from Amazon. I really like these dark green big leaves, and down here you can see the red veins. It's really pretty, and I think it looks great with this gray pot from Crate & Barrel. This pot only costs like $11, and I think that's wonderful. And this guy has the potential to grow to 40 feet in the wild. So I'm really excited to see how big it's gonna get. I know indoor plants are gonna be smaller, but I think it may outgrow the snake plant that I have right now. So let's see. So that's it. These are all the plants I keep in my home, and I'm really proud of myself that I kept them all alive as long as like 3 years, and that's a huge accomplishment for me. So if you're looking for a beginner's plant to keep in your small space, these are all great choices except the succulent. But if you're brave enough, yeah, maybe you can get one. If I can find links on Amazon, I will leave them in the descriptions below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe.